Deshay, aka Shea Butter. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, according to the title, we will be doing a full blast makeup tutorial. If you are new here, welcome to the family. You do not want to miss it, so make sure you hit the notification bell and make sure you subscribe and comment below. First off, we're going to go ahead and start off with primer. I'm using the Hard Candy Perfecting Primer that I got from Walmart. Alright. This minimizes lines and pores for a smooth finish. So I'm going to put about this much on my face. Spread that out evenly. You don't want to put so much to where you're looking oily, and by the time you put your makeup on, you look oily. Everything's eventually going to be starting to kind of slide. Alright. Slide. I am using Mary Kay. You can tell medium coverage extra foundation. Makeup because this is bronze so much primer number 607. But you've got that pretty much blended into your skin. I'm just wiping the excess off. Alright. I've had this for a long time, you guys. It's time for me to upgrade my foundation. But it's okay. I used to just put a dab on my finger, rub it in, or on a cotton ball. I'm going to use my handy dandy blush brush, my blush brush. Perfect practice makes perfect, just like I told you guys. If you have seen one of my previous makeup tutorials where I did the wing, comment below if that has helped any of you all that have tried it. You have got to keep trying. You can't just do it one time and say, well, I'm not good at it. Matter of fact, let's do some eyeshadow first. Do a separate video on how to do your eyebrows. We're going to do a smoky eye look the best way I can. I usually start from the brow and work my way down. Lighter color underneath the eyebrow. So let me go ahead and brush those brows. You can already tell a difference already. Look at that, girl. Go, girl. But we're working with what we have right now. I simply just brush them. It looks pretty good. I'm going to go back under the eyebrow with a lighter color so that can stand out underneath the eyebrow. And then on the eyelid, I'm going to do a dark gray. Just follow the shape of your brows, making it as thin as possible. Do a gray color underneath that. You can do whatever color you choose to do. Back under the eyebrow with a lighter color so that can stand out. What I usually do is start in the corner, if you can see it, because of the dark eyeshadow. Once I get to the corner, watch how I just slowly let that slide just like that. Almost has like a There's that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner. You can add an extra one with the wing. Not the best. Just like that. It takes practice, y'all. I'll be messing up too. Next side. This color. We're doing something different here, y'all. We're gonna experiment on camera right now. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and be using NYX concealer. Take my blending brush and blend it right on in. Comment below, let me know what kind of makeup you guys use. You don't need but so much when you use a highlighter. And I'm gonna try that. And last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and add my mascara. Let's go ahead and do the Lash Fanatic. That's a good thumbnail, you guys. You guys are so used to seeing me do a bunch of colors. So I figured Okay, you guys, I'm back. So here's what we have so far. I'm gonna go ahead and add my NYX highlighter from this highlighting palette. And we're gonna use, this is my favorite color. Fanatic by And here are the final results. What do y'all think? Colors. I figured let's cool it down a little bit. Just wanted to do a quick makeup tutorial from the Hard Candy products that I use, that I bought currently. I'm gonna give you guys a better view in just a minute. I'm missing one more thing. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little yellow just to pop it off a little bit. I can't go without a little bit of color to it. Just a little bit of color. A little pop, shazam. A little last but not least, I'm going to be using my Sheer Envy Setting Spray.
Well, you
by
guys,
Hard
thank
Candy.
you so much for watching.
And it also
comment below and let me know what videos you would like to see, whether it's makeup, another dog grooming video, another instrumental type video. I do have more for you. But comment below and let me know, what would you like to see me do? Some pranks maybe? I don't know. But thank you so much for watching, you guys. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.